That happens?
To se zgodi?
Of course it has, all throughout history. And the best way that I've seen it really work is when different Christians join in an activity of service to others.
To se seveda velikokrat zgodi in vsaj jaz vidim, da najboljši recept proti temu je, ko se kristjani povežejo v neki aktivnosti, da služijo drugim.
So for example, visiting those in prison or making sandwiches for people who don't have enough money to buy food or finding housing for the homeless people.
Torej, v projektih, da gremo v zapore, da pripravimo hrano za tiste, ki jo nimajo, da poskrbimo za uboge, ki so brez stanovanja.
Doesn't really matter the nuances of theology, what you believe. You don't have to apply theologically to do that. You just show up and show a loving compassion.
Torej, ne potrebuješ specifičnega teološkega ozadja, da to narediš, ampak potrebuješ sočutje in milost, da daješ in da služiš.
And as I have traveled the world, I've seen Catholic and Orthodox and Protestants working together, for example, in prisons, because the need is great. And we have that in common, trying to fulfill what Jesus told us to do, to visit those in prison as if we were the ones who needed the visit.
In s tem, ko sem potoval po svetu, sem videl velikokrat, kjer so katoliki, pravoslavci, protestanti skupaj delovali, sploh na primer v zaporih, zaradi tega, ker je potreba tako močna in vsi želijo izpolniti Božjo besedo in zato pridejo skupaj, da poskrbijo za tiste, ki so v zaporu, kot da bi oni bili tam.